Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the config file and protecting your setup. This is why you make a backup first. Once you have the CFG, place it into the game's CFG folder so the engine can read it. Make sure the file name matches the one you will execute, because Cs2 reads exact names. Next, change file attributes only if necessary. Read-only can prevent accidental overwrites. These early steps avoid loss and ensure the file is where the game expects it. Now you load and test the config in-game so you can see what changed and why it matters. Open the developer console and run exec followed by the exact file name. Listen for syntax errors, because a single misplaced quote breaks key binds. Once executed, tweak sensitivity and crosshair values gradually. Small increments reveal impact without disorientation. If you need tweaks that persist, edit the CFG in a text editor and rerun exec. Then save and test. Finish by making the change permanent. Create or edit auto exec. CFG to exec your new config automatically at startup, so you never forget. Then set file permissions appropriately and add launch options only if required. This guarantees consistent behavior across updates and servers. If something goes wrong, restore your backup immediately and reapply only the smallest set of changes. This isolates the problem. Troubleshooting tip: if binds don't work, check for conflicting scripts, duplicate binds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.